Uncle Sam's, located in 7th Street, Gingona Subdivision. Open sila from Monday to Saturday, alas 10 until alas 7. Pwede kayo mag-call kung gusto niyo magpa-reserve. Ito yung space nila. Oh. So, para ma-imagine niyo kung gano'ng kadami pwede mag-sit. So, dito around 4 people. Doon naman 4 people. So, that's 16 people here. Doon naman, siguro, estimate siguro mga 25 to 30 people. Ano nila, nag-order tayo ng, so babe, say hi to the vlog. Ano ang order sa tatid, babe?
Prima. So, yun.
Prima silog. Ano yan? Chicken. Tapos tapsilog din, no? Nag-order din ako ng tapsilog. Ito yung price niya. Para kita niyo guys.
Tapos,
Next.
Big Bang Burger.
We also ordered the Big Bang Burger. Ano pa? Shanghai.
Mushroom.
Lumpia Shanghai.
Oh, yeah.
Ang burger, so fresh talaga niluluto from the outside. Yeah. Gusto nyo rin magpa-deliver, meron silang Food Panda, Maxim, and Grab Food. Yeah, yan o. Grab Food, Food Panda, Maxim. Kung nasa Butuan kayo, ito yung Mormon na church sa Montilla. Tapos, pasok lang kayo dito. Makikita nyo na siya agad. Uncle Sam. Hello! Can you show us your star? Aww, from school. That's a good boy.
Medyo may pagka-aesthetic tong restaurant na to. And old yung mga tables nila. Pero maganda naman siya. Medyo mahal lang yung food. Pero nag-try lang kami kasi nakita namin to kay Bogart the Explorer.
Big Bang Burger. Ooh. Big. Size comparison, this is the ketchup na sachet. So it's ganyan siya ka small. First bite. Ang good.
May distinct taste siya.
Oh, really? Can I try?
Try ulit.
Taste homemade. No? Hindi siya, yung pati hindi siya binili. I think ginawa nila to. This is the tapsilog. Oh, thank you. Money ang lumpia Shanghai sauce. Huh?
I like it. Wow. I love it.
It's good.
Well, food.
I'll give it.
like it.
I'll give the burger. I'll give the burger. This is based from the lata, from the price.
Rocket.
I'm giving it a 3 out of 5.
Rocket.
And then the tapsilog, 4 out of 5. The reason why 4 out of 5 kasi kaya nga
That's
tapsilog kasi tapa, sinangag, pero ang rice ay hindi sinangag.
That's all.
So it would have been a 5 out of 5 if ang rice fried rice. Sinangag. So that's where the root is from.
Dinosaur.
Tapsilog. Tapa, sinangag na rice or fried rice. And it next thing that we want to do, my friends, we're gonna try itong sauce nila.
Dinosaur.
Wow. It's much better with the sauce. Let's try the lumpia, mga kaibigan. So we're gonna try first with just the lumpia and then with the
And then what?
so with the lumpia, it's look. And
Oh, hell no!
has an aftertaste, guys. So let's try it with the sauce. Okay? Try it with the sauce. It has a anong masasabi mo sa lumpia? May aftertaste, no? May aftertaste siya, which is something na I don't like.
Parang ano? Parang chorizo. Chorizo na may wrappers.
Yep. Parang kumakain ng chorizo na may wrapper. Want a cozy na place to chill. The aircon is very, very cold. The staff are very friendly. They've allowed me to shoot a video inside. They also have a fish tank, which my friend has been a huge fan of. Yeah, try Uncle Sam's. Thank you guys. Say bye, mom.
Bye!
Bye.